Your AINOTE notes can now become working context for an AI agent. Here is the fastest way to get started. First, install the latest AINOTE desktop app, then sign into your account. Make sure the notes and schedules you want to use have been saved to AINOTE Cloud. Next, find the skill export area in Settings of the desktop app. Choose whether the skill can access your notes, schedules, or both. You stay in control of the authorized range. Copy the link for installation in your AI agent. Open your AI agent, paste the link and command to install the AINOTE skill. Start with a simple request. With AINOTE skill, you can turn data stored on your AINOTE device into a work context that can be accessed by the AI agent. Simply chat to search, read, organize, and create. Explore and share your workflows in our community. Stay tuned for more updates and boost your productivity with AINOTE.